Julia.
Okay.
Go and get it.
Hold it. I'm gonna get my beer. I'm recording.
Okay, now?
I'm gonna get my beer.
Okay, now she's gonna do the monkey move. Okay, Julia, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Ooh, whoa!
Monkey move. Make the sound. She's fucked up.
Beer! Beer! Forever and ever. She's the other side from the beer. Budweiser, people.
Do you think she's worse or better than I was the first time I was drunk?
He's better.
She's better?
Yeah.
Really? Was I worse?
You're both really right.
Hola, chica! Oi, tudo bem?
Wait, I will come back.
Obrigada, obrigada.
I will come back.
Oi! Vou para o Brasil. Oi, tenho 18 anos.
I will come back with my beer. Pay attention.
Okay, now we have to pay attention to Julia. She come back with her beer. Monkey move. There we go. Nice.
That's how not drunk I am. I'm completely sober.
What do you think?
Could make this like
What do you think, Phil?
forever.
I think he's really drunk. I do too, actually.
This is all bullshit.
Can I have my sunglasses back? Sure.
All bullshit. These are blind people we feel. No, just kidding. I love you. But those...
Do you love the beer more than you love me?
Your love is like unforgettable and unendable. Never will end.
I know it will never end.
Mwah! Mwah!
We're gonna see each other again?
Yes, I'm gonna definitely go to Italy to visit you.
And Denmark. What about if it's...
And Denmark.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, I promise. Look. I promise. Pinky promise.
Pinky promise.
I promise.
Hey, we promise.
We promise.
Hey, we pinky promise.
I know! This is serious right now.
Pinky promise with me too.
Wait, where's her pinky? I'm gonna visit you forever in Denmark.
When you go to Italy, you take the train to Denmark?
Yes, I will.
And then
Kind of
you
fun.
We can meet all together in Italy.
And then
And party, and party, and party,
and party, and party, and party, and party. Woo!
So,
Drunk here. Shut the fuck
we
up.
promise we're gonna see each other again. When I promise, I keep my promise. Always.
Me? Look, me? Say it. Me?
Me?
What is this?
True.
Me too. Me too. I told ya. Me too.
Me?
Too. Me too. Yes.
Alright. So we're ready for Marco to come here. Marco will come here in about like 20 minutes, 15 minutes.
He's freaking stupid. He should have already been here.
What time is it?
He's like 3:37.
Okay, now Fe.
Hey, Marco.
Fernanda!
Fernanda, I love you, Fernanda. Did Marco is here?
Bitch.
It doesn't hurt.
I did already.
Okay.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna close this video.
Yes,
I'm gonna
and
end
they're
this
gonna
video.
put in YouTube.
Yeah, because we love America.
And Texas, not America. We
Texas! Howdy, y'all!
y'all doing?
Not you guys. I don't give a shit about seeing you guys. I say y'all. Howdy, y'all. How are y'all doing, folks?
Is everything okay?
Howdy, y'all. How y'all doing? Howdy, folks. How y'all doing? What the hell? Alright, I'm gonna go. Say bye. Bye, camera. Bye, fucking camera. Bye.
Bye. Beijo da gorda. Mwah.
Say bye.
Bye, camera.
Bye, camera. I love you. Julia, I love you. Mwah.
I love you.
You'll probably not remember, but I love you.
I love you, Marley.
What do I do with this?
I love you most. I love You're the